30 days, 30 stitches, each one a little step closer to this moment. From the first knot to the last detail, every day taught me something new. And now, it's time for the final project, a winter cottage, stitched from imagination. I started with an idea. What if all the stitches from this challenge came together in one scene? So I asked ChatGPT for inspiration. Finalized few designs, print them out and began tracing. The fabric was pressed, the outline set. It was time to bring the idea to life. To outline the cottage, I used coaching stitch, a strong foundation stitch that frames the entire scene. Next, bullion knots for the flowers and stones. They add texture and charm. Daisy stitches bloom into soft petals, while stem and split stitches bring the walls and stems to life. For the moon, I use satin stitch, smooth and luminous against the night sky. French knots fill the bushes, the doorknob, and sprinkle across the grass as tiny snowflakes. The tree came alive with Turkish wood and chain stitches defined the windows. Each technique built on the last, from blanket stitches for the roof to cretan and herringbone along the sides to beads and sequins that captured the magic of snowfall. "30 stitches, one story. Every loop and knot taught me something. Patience, focus, and the quiet joy of creating with my hands. This final project isn't just thread and fabric, it's a reflection of 30 days of creativity. Thank you for joining me to this 30-day embroidery challenge. If this inspired you, subscribe for more cozy embroidery stories and tutorials.